Many thanks to my subscribers. Those who have not yet subscribed, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my new videos. In today's video we are going to see curves of alphabets that may be creating problems in relationship. By relationship I mean all the types of relationship. Relations can become complicated at times. Person's behavior may unintentionally or unknowingly hurt others, resulting into harsh feelings or negativity in any relation. Now let us see few traits in personality that could result into negativity in relations. Being bit harsh in verbal communication could be one of the reasons leading to negativity in relations. To maintain good connections you need to be soft in verbal communications. To add the trait of soft verbal communication, practice writing T as shown in image. Second trait is if a person is reactive or impulsive. When a person has extreme right slant, then that person is bit impulsive. Wrong reaction in heat of movement could lead to issues in relationships too. To avoid such issues in relations, write in straight to moderate right slant as shown in image. Third trait is holding on to negativity. In any relationships there will be few movements wherein either one or both are going to get hurt. If they hold on to negativity and don't let it go, then day by day it will increase the distance in relations. So it's necessary that we let go of our grudges. Here's the example of handwriting holding on to grudges and negativity.
And lastly, if someone has too much of anger issues, then that person's connections would always be on a roller coaster ride. Video has already been made on identifying traits of anger issues and nullifying the same with graphology. Link is given in description for the same, do check that. Do comment in comments section which videos would you like me to create. To get done detailed analysis, contact avaniparekh1985@gmail.com.